Hello friends, welcome to my collaboration with PandaHall. I'm very excited to unbox these goodies today, and I wanted to tell you that I have lots of plans for all of these items. Each item will be listed in my description box below, as well as a coupon code for you. And before we get into it, I wanted to mention to you that all of the items were packaged beautifully, very safe and secure. Friends, I want to let you know that you get a total of 4 packages of these precious cow charms. They are so cute. I wanted to show you that they are about a 1/2 inch wide and they are about 3/4 inch long. Absolutely adorable, and I cannot wait to create with them. Friends, check out these precious crocheted hearts. These are so very cute. These come in a pack of 10 and they are 1.5 inches wide by 1.25 inch long. So very cute. Everything I have today I'll be using in a journal, and I cannot wait to share with you how I'm going to use these. Now friends, I want to share with you these precious crocheted flowers. I love them. And they are all 1.5 inch wide. The box has a total of 4 of each color. I also want to mention that an after-sale service card comes included in your package. If you have any issues, you can follow the instructions on the package. I have not had any issues. Do you love beads? Well, I want to show you the beads. You get 2 full packages. This is a package of beads. So this is one of them, and here's the other one sort of taken apart. So we've got white beads. We have white and black beads with a cow theme, a cow pattern, as you can see. We have pink ones with the same pattern. So stinking cute. I cannot wait to play with these. We've got black and white polka dots. There are pink and white polka dots. We have plain black and plain pink. Now let's measure one just to see what the size of these are. I think they're about 1/2 inch, but let's double check. Yes, these measure 1/2 inch in circumference. Also, these adorable pink and purple wooden cow beads come with the set as well. For these, there are 5 pink ones and 5 purple ones. All right, my friends, let's have a closer look at this fabric. I'm super excited about these fabric pieces, and I hope to use them to create a journal cover for the Moo La La journal that I'm creating. So let's have a look and see what we've got here. These strips are 19.5 inches long and 2.5 inches wide. Now let's go through and have a look at each pattern. Look how cute are these. There's such a lovely variety. I believe these are all florals, but let's have a look. Ooh, look at that. This is going to be really fun to create with, and what I have in mind is very different from anything that I usually create, so I'm super excited to try something new as far as making a journal cover. Oh my gosh, look at that purple. That's so pretty. Oh, that's cool. I love the little tiny flowers there. Oh, super cute. These are going to be so fun to play with. Do you love them? Let me know if you have a favorite. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look at the purple berries. Oh my gosh, I love these. They're all so different from each other, and yet they're floral. Oh, I'm really partial to these tiny flowers. Oh, these two, look how cute. So cute. Oh my gosh, look at this one with the minty colors on it. So sweet. Oh boy, look at this with the pink background and like the daisy-like flowers. Man, that's super cute. Oh, these are gonna be great, you guys. So fun. Oh, look at that. That's so cute. Well, this has a vintage vibe to it, doesn't it? Oh boy, look at that. So pretty. Oh my goodness, I'm loving these, my friends. You'll have to let me know if you love them too. Look at that, that's just stunning. Oh my gosh, look, how happy is this? Oh my gosh, well that was fun, right? Look at all these. I mean, there's so many. They're gorgeous. I love them. Okay, my friends, I want to give you another look at these stencils. Like, aren't they beautiful? I want to do a gel print session. And so that's what I'm going to do with these to show these off. But of course, you know that you can use them in other ways besides gel printing. You could certainly use them to stencil papers, walls, stationery, junk journals, scrapbooks, all kinds of ways that you can use these gorgeous stencils. And I'm super happy to have my hands on these so that I can do some gel prints on top of the Rit dyed vintage music paper that I created. So super excited about these. Well, friends, that is it for my PandaHall haul, and I hope that you enjoyed it. So many fun and delicious things that I get to play with, and I'm so excited about that. And I hope that you will join me to see what I make with all these goodies. Thanks for watching. See you soon.